What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick little video sound check here of my 16 Ram 1500 with a muffler delete that I just got done on it. I wanted some bark to the V8. Didn't want to spend all the money on getting booze or aftermarket exhaust put on it. I already just got done doing the cold start at home. There's a bunch of people around and stuff, so I didn't want to disturb the neighbors too bad. But I'm going to put the camera down here. I apologize for any wind and stuff, but let's check her out. So as you can see, it sounds pretty good. I think it does. Maybe get the wife to give me a drive-by video or something here at some point. Anyways, just started adding some more videos to the channel here. I'm going to be doing some biking videos and some other videos, RC videos and stuff. So just drop a sub, drop a like as always. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.